How's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie video. Anyways, there's a new version of iMovie coming out, and I believe from all the evidence that I see, it's going to be for the iPad and the iPhone. There's still not much information if it's going to migrate into the macOS version for Mac computers, but let's go ahead and have a look and see what we have here. And this information comes from the most recent keynote that happened March 8th. Okay, when they announced new iPhone SEs, new iPad Airs, and the Mac Studio. And I think that's it. And a new studio display. Okay, so if we go down, we're at the apple.com/iMovie website. If we scroll down to here, we're going to have this new functionality that allows you to design using storyboards. And if we look here, it looks like there's 20 different storyboards that allow you to kind of pick a genre, and it'll kind of stitch together your video clips into a kind of like pre-formatted. So this looks kind of interesting. And again, right now you only see the iPad and the iPhone, but I'm wondering if this functionality is going to make it to the macOS version. It'd be nice, but not sure just yet. Okay, and here's a little demo video from the actual keynote that I'll show you. And let's go ahead and play this.
A new release of iMovie is perfect for aspiring filmmakers working on their latest masterpiece, or for users who are just getting started. The new Storyboards feature helps users create finished videos by using curated shortlists, transitions, and music for a polished result. It's a great new release that will be available next month.
Let me go ahead and stop that. So it looks pretty good. I'm wondering, are we going to get it in macOS? And I'm hoping we get to the point where all the functionality that's in the macOS version is in the functionality that's in the iOS version, and vice versa. We know right now the iOS version is not as up to snuff as the one on the desktop. So hopefully they can get those at feature parity in the future. But anyways, I thought I'd bring it up. Again, this new version is going to be coming out in April. And assumptions right now is that it'll be for iOS. So for the iPad and the actual iPhone. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll catch you in the next one. And you know I'm going to be doing tutorials on this new functionality. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and all that jazz. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.